that you told me to do. So
yeah, I think now if you want to delete Adelaide,
yep.
only from your system, right? But the email actually should be there available, right?
Yeah, that's right. All I want to do is just so that it's not showing in this in my
Okay, yeah.
list of things. Yeah.
Yeah, just hide it. Yeah, if you want, you can hide it.
You click on hide. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So in label list, you just go hide. Okay, gone.
yeah. It hides now.
So
Yeah,
Anthony's now gone as well. So realistically, do I just hide that one as well?
yeah, yeah. You
Will
can hide
you
it. Yeah,
will you remove that email address too?
yeah.
Or what do we
No, there
do
are two
about
things.
Anthony? So essentially,
Anthony.
I'll go through and just let you know. So what I might do for now is I'll leave Anthony there because he was the most recent one to get work elsewhere. Um,
Okay.
but I'll just leave it there so it's to remind me. I'll get rid of so Anthony and Ben. So I'll get rid of these ones where they're the secondary emails as well. So just quickly go
Yeah,
through and do that where they're kind of not being used, any of these things, right?
yeah.
Um, so yeah, the last four people to use, as I said, were all the ones that we just couldn't find enough work for, basically.
Okay.
Which was Anthony, Ben,
Mm-hmm.
Emily. If I haven't already told
Okay.
you, Emily.
Yep, I think so. Yeah.
Um, don't need Facebook for business. It's great. We'll keep franchise. I might keep in there for now. Not that anybody's using it. Geelong, maybe I'll. Oh, whoops. Geelong, maybe I'll keep. Glenelg, I can hide. Well, if emails were to come to these addresses, would they then go into just the normal inbox, Nadeem?
Yes.
They would.
Yeah.
Okay, so they just finish up in this one up the top, yeah?
Yeah. This is just. They're also, I mean, being forwarded to you
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Yeah. So they normally go into the inbox. Yeah.
That's what I thought. Okay. Um, HR, I'll leave that for now. So Hannah's the other one that was the recent one that I just need to talk to you about. So just with these ones, so that we don't need those email addresses anymore. That's all.
Right. Okay.
Melton can come out. Melbourne. No. So this is the one that we still have that issue with, right? In terms of the marketer at, where it still has a picture at times of Lauren, right? So when I go and put that email in, I get somebody else's picture sort of sitting in there instead of my own. But anyway, so I don't know what the answer to that one is.
That last time when I spoke to Google technicians,
Yeah.
that might be happening because in your specific contacts, that image is associated with that email address. So it's only showing to you, but not to everyone. To others, it will show the normal one.
Oh, really?
But wherever it is associated with a certain image in their contact list, then it will show to them. So they have to go into the contact list and delete from there. So the image will differ then.
Right. So this one could go. So does that so would that be the same for you like yesterday where your image showed up as
Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah.
Okay. Where be don't really need that. Don't really need that. Hide. Keep that one for now. All right. Well, at least that tidies that part up. So you think so what was that one yesterday where we as I said, it's just a bit strange. Whoops. So there's no way around that that you can tell. So this one, so Nadeem, you see, okay, so see how you come up with that image. So how? So in actual fact, so I put in Nadeem, and it actually comes up with Adrian's even up the top, right? Adrian at for some reason.
Yeah, I think it may be somewhere associated.
Yeah, see, I guess
that
there's
image.
four things that are associated.
Yeah, they are associated with that. I think probably if you go to contact, maybe you can see that. Or if he has associated, I don't know, but maybe if you check
Yeah,
in the
so
contacts on the left,
on the
bottom.
left, you go to
Actually, no, 1 minute, sorry. Contact is. Google has changed a few things recently, so I'm just trying to see where the contact is. The top right hand click on window, export, contact export. Enter. Gmail, click mail, then contacts. Mail.
yeah. So see, this is kind of
Yes.
see how it still
Storage screen,
comes
yeah.
up when I do marketer at Diffie Social, and it's not just me. It's when I sit with others and have them add me as a manager. See how Lauren's image comes. Yeah. See how Lauren's image comes up there. I think that won't have done anything, but it's very odd. So it's got an image of Lauren for me as my avatar.
Yeah. It is actually in the context somewhere. It is stored there.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me find out. Okay, where the contact folder they have moved to.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they moved the contact folder somewhere. I don't know. I'm just trying to find out. But
Okay.
I'll find out that, and then I'll send you the details from where you can delete.
Yeah,
You can
that
check
would
the
be good
images.
if we could just
Yeah.
put
Yeah.
the right. If you could send me
Yeah, sure.
that, and
Yeah.
as I said, that's probably the other than just being able to having helped me tidy up. So that just makes my inbox a little bit more tidier.
Yeah.
The Yeah. So are you okay? I'm just trying to remember who I've told you. Are you able to just make a note that those four people, just check that those four people no longer require email access? So they're all, I think, at least a month now.
Okay.
So I'll send
What if
you.
what if I show you now?
Yeah.
I'll show you the list of active emails, and you can tell me one by one if they are needed
Okay.
or not.
Yeah. So why don't you share your screen? I'll stop
Yeah,
sharing.
I'll share my screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
It's
Here it
just 2
is.
clicks. Yeah.
Share your screen. Continue with the share screen. Yeah. Okay. Done. Share now. Okay. Can you see my? Oh.
Yeah, just click on where you want to show me. So click on where you just navigate to another tab somewhere. Click up the top. Yeah. All right, so you don't have to click on our screen. So I'll be able to see whatever you're looking at. So just go to your Google one. Yeah. Okay.
Can you see the screen now?
I can. Yeah.
Okay. Now these are the active emails we have like 13 of them.
Yeah.
And under each email, let's say Andy.
Yep.
If I click on Andy, we'll have all those secondary emails associated with this user
Yeah.
that I can show you here if there are any. Yeah, there is one associated with this user, like
Yeah.
Sunshine.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Now you can let me know, please, if these users can be deleted, so there won't be any charges from next billing cycle onwards for
Yeah.
this. So this should be okay, right?
So Adrian stays the same.
Okay. What about Andy?
Andy's no longer with us. So in effect, there's only Adrian with us, really. So just everybody by the looks. Huong, you'd still keep Huong. It doesn't have a picture of her, but Andy, Anthony, Ben, Emily, Evelyn, Hannah, Haley, Lauren. Lauren's the next one down. The one that says marketer at Diffie Social.
This one. Yeah. But you need this email address, right? Marketer.
Oh, I need that email address. Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
that's okay.
But then see how it's got. That's again, it's weird. So it's got her picture. I thought it was her.
What about this Siri?
Siri's gone. Yeah, so Siri can go. And then down below as well. Yep. What's that one associated? Well, that one's saying Sydney.
Yeah.
So I maybe need to keep that one because it looks like you've got rid of I can't think of her name. Oh, that's bad. Anyway, the email is that. So that's everybody else has their name, but both Hannah and Trisha is the girl's name below me. So Trisha and Lauren have probably already been taken off because they were actually they were probably the two first to leave.
Okay, yeah, I must have taken them off. Yeah.
So you've taken them off, but clearly for some reason they're associated with those other ones and their profile are showing with the other ones.
Yeah, because they might be associated with some secondary emails as well.
Yeah, that's right. They are. But Lauren was never associated with that secondary one. And really, no, I don't think Trisha may well have had some access to that potentially, but yeah, she shouldn't. So all of those ones really now can come off.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
Correct.
Now my question is, these 8 primary user accounts have got secondary emails as well. So if we delete them, all the secondary email addresses also will be deleted.
Yeah.
So do you want to have a look what emails are associated with them? Like Andy, just now we saw this is associated with Sunshine.
Yeah.
So do you still want to keep Sunshine? Or
it's probably good to keep the actual location details, but not Andy or Anthony.
Okay. In that case, what happens is we can make this as sunshine at defysocial.com.au as the primary email address.
Correct.
So we can just swap. This becomes secondary and that becomes primary.
Yeah.
Do you want something like this?
Yeah. So the reason that they were probably, it's how we signed into all of those accounts. So if they're deleted, we can no longer access them. Is that right? So
yes, correct. If you delete them, what happens if I delete Andy completely? Then those secondary emails like Sunshine will also get deleted.
Yeah.
So if you want to keep Sunshine, what I can do is I will remove Andy Dew as the primary user, but I'll make Sunshine at defysocial.com.au as the primary user account.
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yeah. If you do it that way, does that mean that?
So we will leave Andy as it is because we'll keep this email account active.
Yeah.
Okay. And when we go to since we have already selected, sorry, I have to get rid of this so I can check. Now, let's go to Anthony and see if there is any secondary location.
Well, they're all going to have their secondary one. With this one, will be.
We can see here. We can see. So here, the looks like they've all got secondary emails, like the
Correct.
location.
Yeah, they all have secondary emails, right?
So what I can do is I'll just replace the Anthony
Yeah.
primary with as a secondary, and then VLC as the primary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Is that something you'll be okay? So in that case, we are not deleting anything, but we're just changing with the actual location email address. Like Evelyn, for example,
Correct.
she has Melville. Okay. Location. Yeah, they all got locations actually associated with them.
That's right, because that's what was used.
Okay, so we'll keep them all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
But I would say that the reason, because even you, so clearly the reason that Lauren and Trisha is showing as Sydney is because that's the only one that's the image. So if you were to click on there, I imagine there's probably ways in that, because I've got the logos for all of these, right? So I could actually make it just the logo for Sydney Diffie Social, for instance, right?
Now we can replace this image. Yeah, that's okay. I'll put your logo, right?
So
yeah, I'll replace.
What I'll do is maybe what I'll just do, I'll do it in order for you, and I'll send you all the relative logos for the different people, right? So
yeah, that sounds good. Yeah.
Essentially, I'm just going to write it down so I don't forget. So essentially, I'm going to send you Andy is Sunshine.
Yeah.
Right. Anthony
Whittlesey. Ben.
Ben.
Have to check.
Is Wanneroo.
Wanneroo.
Yeah.
Emily
is Holland Park, I think. Is Brisbane, Holland basically. Park, Holland Park. Evelyn is Melville in WA.
Yeah, Melville.
Yeah.
Hannah
is Brisbane.
Yep.
Hayley is Melvern. Hayley.
Melbourne, yeah.
Melvern. Huong is just, that's okay. That doesn't need an icon. She's just our that's my partner. HR. So yes, that's okay.
Okay. HR.
That just stays as is. So I'm going to send you Lauren. Lauren should actually be Glenelg. So I'm going to send you Glenelg.
Yeah.
Yep. And then
Siri. Wellbeing and Kathleen.
Wellbeing and what?
Kathleen.
Oh, Caitlin, she also got Caitlin's, did she? Yeah, no, Caitlin was the previous one, right? So we don't need Caitlin anymore. So that would come out. And all you would do is you'd only have the one location. I might do Wellbeing for Siri.
Okay.
I'll just do it.
So you want to keep Wellbeing?
Yeah, I'll just do it as Wellbeing.
Okay, yeah. And this is you and Sydney.
And then so basically her name is Trisha, and I'll send you Sydney for Trisha.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. And then, so does that mean if somebody sends, will you flip it around then? So in other words, the secondary email, would you maintain a secondary email as Andy or no?
Yeah, we'll keep the secondary email as well.
Yep. So
Andy becomes secondary email.
Yeah. So clearly all this stuff's going to mean that So as you said, it doesn't enable me. There's no savings in the billing, is there? I'm going to get charged for all these location emails. What does it cost for each one of these? Do you know? Is it a yearly thing?
Oh, it's a yearly thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's yearly $175 something. Yeah, $175 per year.
Per email.
Yeah, per user account.
Yeah. Yeah. I think, yeah, I don't think realistically
Okay.
any of these. That's the question, is because they're not going to get used. So
Ah,
all the social media that have been set up against them, I don't think. I still think I'd be able to sign in and sign out easy enough, even without the email. I don't think it's crucial to the email, to the actual social media.
mm-hmm.
So having these is kind of is slightly nonsensical, really, to be paying 175 for a year. So that's, as you said, if you have 13, whatever it is, it's probably about it's at least 10, maybe 11. It's 11 emails that I think we could just remove.
Okay. What I can do also, what if I want, you want me to associate these location emails to your user account?
That would make a lot more sense. Is all you do is you basically you
Yeah, let me see
you'd
how
you'd
many you already got.
associate Sunshine, Whittlesea, Wanneroo, but I think they all are already.
Ah, you already got too many here. So because we have 29 allowed
Yeah.
secondary emails for each user account. So since you already got, I think maybe not your account, but I can associate them with a separate account if you want, a different account. Let's
So
say, let's say I make a user account called locations at defysocial.com.au,
yeah,
and then add all this secondary this location emails as secondary to that.
yeah.
So that way you don't lose any emails, and you have access. Once you log in like locations at defysocial.com.au, then you'll see all those secondary emails there.
Yeah, I think realistically, if you could do that, because really, basically, what we're saying is that
Yeah.
um, marketer should already be associated with me.
Yeah.
Sydney should already be associated with me, which is the two bottom ones.
Yeah.
And other than that, we just need to keep Adrian and Huong.
Okay, got you. So I'll tell you one thing. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
that's Huong. Yeah,
5. Where's that Andy? Andy?
yeah.
Sorry. Adrian. Where is Adrian?
Adrian's up the top when you scroll higher. Scroll up a bit.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Yeah,
Okay. Sorry, missed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
correct.
and 6. So there will be 6 primary accounts in total.
Well, six. What you're saying is six will be the locations then,
Yes,
basically.
correct. 6 will be locations. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that, and I'll update you. So you can save lots of billing there. You'll have to pay only 6
Well,
user
it
accounts.
doesn't, as I said, it doesn't kind of make sense when none of them are involved in the organisation, and they are. It's only the
Yeah.
secondary emails that,
Yeah.
if we can do that, that sounds
Yeah.
like it will make a
Yeah.
lot of
I'll
sense.
do that. I'll do that. Yeah. Just give us some time. I'll fix everything for you.
Yeah, no problems. No, that's why I thought it would be easier if we just touch base. I'm glad we did, and it sounds like, and then there's no need for me to be sending. Well, is there any need for the logos? Probably not, right?
No, we don't need that.
Because it's just a forwarding anyway.
Yes, forwarding only. Yeah, only 6 primary.
What I could do is send you the logo just purely for the locations. If you're going to create a third, if that's going to be the sixth one. Anyway, let's see what that looks like first, and then let's see what happens after that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll fix that and I'll update you.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else, Steve? How
No,
is
thanks for
everything?
that. It's much
Rest
appreciated.
everything? Okay. No problem. Yeah. Most welcome. Yeah. Anything else?
You have a good. No, you can. We can. If you go back to whereby, if you click over there, you can see me and I can see you, and I'll give you a wave.
Okay.
All right. There you go. Thanks.
Thank you.